Hello everyone, in this video I want to give you a recipe for a very low calorie diet breakfast. If you are ready, let's get into it. Cream cheese pancakes. Ingredients: 2 ounces cream cheese, 2 eggs, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 tablespoon coconut flour, 1/2 to 1 packet of stevia in the raw. Instructions: mix together all of the ingredients until smooth. Heat up a non-stick pan or skillet with butter or coconut oil on medium-high. Make them just like you would normal pancakes. Try to cook it most of the way on one side and then flip. Top with butter and or a sugar-free maple syrup.